Alright, so today on the wonderful, lovely gaming Metrox, this is probably about the third time I'm recording this because frankly I had forgotten to show you guys the thing. So what we're gonna do is, yes, I am utilizing OBS. Um, Basically what I'm gonna show you guys is I showed you guys these last week. Um, I think I showed you guys these in last week's video. Um, with a skirt that I bought as well with it. But I named it these because these were the highlight. These were what I got for the highlight, anyways. Um, but I got these like early this morning, I guess. Early like midnight, I guess. I was bored. I don't know why, but I got these because these were like ideal choice. I love the reason why is because I'm trying to go for that Adidas superstar look. I'm trying to get rid of all of my shoes that don't have the Adidas superstars thing, and I love the platforms. You know, I would love to get these, but because there's only like five le- left in, there's only two left in stock of the fives, which I'm kind of hopeful that they do get the size 7 in here at some point. Um, I kind of hope they get them restocked for it. But if they don't, I'm not gonna be too worried because, frankly, I might be able to find these on a different place too. I don't know. Um, so the so basically that's what I kind of got here for you guys. I will show you guys these here in a lickety split. This will be probably future me in like that. So I'll see you guys in a minute.
Alright, so today on Future Me of Sneaker Matty Rocks, now, hold on, I want to do something real quick here before I do a little bit. Alright, so I wanted to make sure that I'm not, like, going into the red zone at all with my stuff, because I know the last one I did, the red was going a lot into the red, but with this one was same day recording as the previous one that you guys are going to see for the unboxing. Um, but and you'll see that's how I do things is when I do the recordings about 1 day a week, and then I have them scheduled up to upload on Wednesday and Saturday. So that way you guys aren't like, so I'm not overdoing myself. I try not to, so that I'm not like that I have to do it on Wednesday and then I have to get it uploaded by that day, or Saturday and I have to get it uploaded by that time. So now, without going into showing you my address or anything, this is the box here. Um, so and it's interesting how the box actually works. Okay. And then we finally got another pair from the same style of shoe because I really liked them. Really liked them. And these are also a different size as well. Same size as the previous one. Is the previous video, but these are a size smaller I would highly like, if you are recommending that you are a size 8 normally, sometimes try going a size smaller, try going a size lower, if you need to. I'd start with there, and if you need to go up, exchange it then. You know, that's what I would do. Also, pay attention to the reviews of the shoes, because it's a lot better to pay attention to those than pay attention to the reviews on the shoes. Just if there isn't a single review, then you will then go and buy them however you want to. So what you guys saw in the first part was me buying the shoes. You guys didn't see me go and check out, because that was me actually recording the video after I had bought them already. So I'll probably be doing that a lot when I do go buy things, is I'll probably recreate the video of me showing you that I didn't buy them, but showing you what they look like on the storefront. So here's what they look like on the inside of the box when you get them. It might not be perfect or pretty. There's what the bottom of the box, but that's pretty much all there is. I definitely like the design of the box, to be honest with you. And I do like the paper that they do provide. Now I'm going to say these ones are a blackish gold white color, and I actually didn't think I would like these as much as the shown online. They look a lot different in person. They probably do look a lot better. But you can see, there's actually those little lines in there. They do look decent. I like them. I like the shoelaces here. I don't know if the shoelaces actually are black tipped or black tipped. But let's open up the other one and see if they show that. No, they are gold tipped. So I actually like that, a little bit of having that little bit of that gold in here. But I didn't notice this, but they feel a little wet, a little bit cold and damp. That could just be that it was cold outside. So, but and then there's the paper there's the box empty, I guess. But I hope you guys enjoyed yourselves for today's video. If you guys want to see more content, now I will let you know that these were $88, not $66. Try to see if you can get them cheaper. I didn't have to even use a knife this video. The previous video I did. So, you know, these shoes are definitely going to be something that I'm going to try on. I'm going to see if I need to go a size higher again. I don't know. I'm 99% sure I don't have to. But I want to let you guys know that I am enjoying myself. So, but if you guys are enjoying yourselves, make sure you guys hit that like button, because it really does greatly appreciate that you really are enjoying the content. And also make sure that you guys do hit that subscribe button. When you hit that subscribe button, that's going to let me know that you guys are really into this. And make sure you hit that bell notification with the all, so you can stay up to date with all things gaming Metarox. And in about a short second, you guys will see a lookbook, and we'll see you guys later. Bye!